am Dr. Amit Bharadwaj. I welcome you all for India Meteorological Department daily weather briefing for 7th of February. Now, if we talk about the past 24-hour realized weather, so the cold wave to very severe cold wave condition are been realized over isolated pockets of Himachal Pradesh. Dense to very dense fog condition are been realized where the visibility has been reported over one of the station in Meghalaya 30 meter. And dense fog condition over Assam, one of the station Jorhat, 100 meter visibility has been reported. Now, if we talk about the light to moderate rainfall and snowfall which occur at few places over Arunachal Pradesh and at isolated pockets of Assam and Meghalaya and NMMT regions. So these are the past 24-hour observed weather. Now, if we talk about the today's synoptic conditions, so fresh western disturbance is now seen at the lower tropospheric level with its axis at 3.1 km above mean sea level, and now it is roughly run along 55 degree east and north of 30 degree north. There is a cyclonic circulation over central Assam and neighborhood yesterday, which is now seen over northeast Assam and neighborhood between 1.5 and 3.1 km above mean sea level, and there is also some influence of subtropical westerly jet, which is having its core region with the wind speed is 140 knots at 12.6 km above mean sea level over northeast of India. So these are the overall synoptic system. Now, if we talk about the highlights, so the fresh wet spell is likely over Western Himalayan region between 8th to 12th of February, which will cause light to moderate rainfall over Western Himalayan regions. Now, if you talk about the temperature forecast, so there will be gradual rise in the minimum temperature by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius over northwest of India by next 3 days, and there will be no significant change thereafter. Now, the minimum temperature gradual fall will be there by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius over central India during next 2 days, and thereafter it will be a gradual rise by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius during subsequent 3 days. No significant change in minimum temperature over East India for next 3 days and gradual rise by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius. And there will be a gradual rise in the minimum temperature by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius and likely after 24 hours over Maharashtra during next subsequent 4 days. And if we talk about the maximum temperature, the gradual rise in the maximum temperature will be by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius likely over Maharashtra and central India during next 4 to 5 days. So these are the temperature forecast. Now, if we talk about the multi-hazard warning maps, so for the day 1, 7th of February, cold wave warning has been issued for Himachal Pradesh, and for Odisha, day 1 and day 2, dense fog warning has been issued for isolated pockets of Odisha region. And for day 1, if we talk about lightning and thunderstorm, isolated location over Assam, Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh, lightning and thunderstorm may occur for today. So day 2 only fog warning has been issued for Odisha. Now, if we talk about day 3, there is no warning, and day 4 and day 5, lightning and thunderstorm warning has been issued for Assam and Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh region at isolated pockets. And there is no warning for day 6 and day 7. So these are all the information. You can actually get the updated information from IMD website, and you can also follow us on the various social media platforms. So that's all for today. Namaskar. Dhanyawad.